Egypt, Morsi's son dies of alleged heart attack. Turkey is more successful in financial management. Erdogan. Turkish and US officials discuss Syria safe zone. Israel arrests 7 Palestinians from occupied West Bank. Netanyahu makes first visit to Hebron since 1998. UN more than 1,000 civilians killed in Syria's Idlib. US offers reward for intel on Iran's paramilitary force. Meeting with Rouhani possible at UN Assembly. Trump. UK MP demands apology from PM for Islamophobic remark. Afghanistan bombing rocks diplomatic enclave in Kabul. Saudi and UAE bag holding OIC special session on Kashmir. Indian Army claim arresting 2 Pakistanis in Kashmir.